how to set up the machines and set my right amperage, voltage, everything I need to know, and be able to put down a quality welding bead. Being able to say that as a 17-year-old, I can TIG weld better than some 40-year-olds can. That makes me feel great.
Hamilton prides itself on every child, every opportunity for success, and we really think about that in the CTE department.
I just think it's like a great escape. I'm able to get, I'm able to get up, I'm able to get my hands on, do something, I'm able to make a product. I really enjoy.
So these courses are hands-on, career-connected learning opportunities for students. We have actually 65 CTE courses that we offer between the different pathways. And just this school year, we had just over 1,100 students participating in these courses. One of the big celebrations that we have in CTE is we grew from 7 students participating in youth apprenticeship to 44 this year. CTE is always growing. We've actually transcripted 2 more courses this year and added another one, which is industrial automation in the engineering department. So we actually run a business advisory committee here in the CTE department where we bring in local businesses and they collaborate with our teachers on the skills they're looking for in their industries, and we talk about how we can integrate those within our curriculum. It's so hands-on that they don't always know that they're learning math while welding or learning math while doing construction and architecture. But because it's in a format that makes sense, they can see it applied to something they care about, it matters more. I love working with the CTE department because we have amazing teachers who care about their courses, they care about their content, and we see it transfer to the kids. And we see kids taking different courses and exploring new things that they wouldn't have, and then finding a passion and finding a pathway that matters.
I've made a couple charcuterie boards and given those out as gifts, and that's one of my favorite things. You get to make things, you get to give them to people, you get to see their enjoyment. It's people really appreciate when you do stuff for them. That's one thing I love.
Hamilton has a really big reputation for putting up quality students, and it's honestly an honor being here.